True that.
We actually do anything like that. We can say, oh, we have to conserve us, you know, we don't know what happens, so hold that, put that on this.
As much as possible. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we're currently on the way to go and look at an apartment. 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom?
Yeah, 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom.
Yeah. Now this company is a company that we have rented with before, so we know it's a good company. So we're gonna go and look at this apartment, taking you guys, of course. The cost for this apartment we will tell you guys at the end. If you like this video, don't hesitate to smash a like on the video, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me know what you think about the apartment even before us going there. Tell them about the birthday, babes, cause
so my birthday, the 28th, we will be having a wish list draw, as we can call it, a draw, to pick a family that is on their journey to Canada or is here in Canada already, but they have a child with disability or special needs. We are raising funds so that we can give to this family. So we're asking if you can make a donation, or if you can't, you can share out the GoFundMe link. Much appreciated.
So if you can't contribute, that's okay. But we're asking if you can at least share the link so that other persons can see it as well and probably contribute. We'd love to give a lucky subscriber, a lucky person, at least 1,000 Canadian dollars to help them with their journey, right? So please guys, if you want, you can share it or you can contribute. Either one, we appreciate it.
And thank you for all those that have shared it already and those that have contributed already. Much appreciated. Yeah, share.
Yeah, so we're gonna go and look on this apartment, guys, and see what's going on. All right, come along. Anyways, that's not alter ego. Let's go and look at the apartment, guys. In case you guys don't know by now, we do settlement services for persons who are coming to Grande Prairie. Find an apartment for them, pick them up from the airport, bring them around, no more different services. So if you're coming to Grande Prairie and you need help in getting transitioned, don't hesitate to reach out to us and we'll gladly help. So we're actually doing a number of things right now. We're going to the rental office to make a deposit for somebody on an apartment, and then we're also going to look at a different apartment. DiAndersons busy. They are open.
Just for some reason, if we have a glitch in the system, they can mail it to you, but it should just go back on the card.
Is it a ground floor suite or
It's on the 3rd floor.
third floor? Just in case I needed to get my steps in. This is a beautiful day. Is Barbara still with you guys? Is that her name? Barb. Is that her name?
Oh, Barb. Yeah. No, she's not with us
She's
anymore.
not with you guys anymore?
She didn't like this the last time.
You have to jiggle it.
There we go. Oh. Nope. God, certain doors.
Just go down when you need to. Okay, go. Does this one have in-suite laundry?
No.
No?
I'll use one for now.
Okay. Careful, Malia, don't touch anything. Okay. This is a 2-bed. 2-bed, 1 bath. Okay.
Yes, it'll be the living room. So it's gonna be gray carpet, but it'll be brand new, so no stains.
Okay.
And then the
Did they
walls,
seriously just left all their stuff?
they left everything. The
But we
walls
should-
are gonna be painted. It's gonna be more of an off-white color, so it'll be lighter in here.
Okay.
There is a storage
When is this gonna be going? September 1st?
Uh,
Seeing the condition, is it gonna be possible?
Probably earlier than that, actually. It might be like the 22nd or so of August.
Okay.
That'll give them all next week. The
Yeah.
landscapers and the maintenance will get in here on Monday morning and get everything cleared out.
Yeah.
And then the contractor will get in and rip it out the floor.
Yeah, the shit that you guys have to deal with.
Sometimes.
Like, how are you gonna find places to put all this stuff? Yeah, but you're gonna have to.
This with the gray lino.
Okay.
So it'll match the new gray flooring.
Drink some H2O. Crazy. Why would you write on the fridge, man?
Careful. That's the things there.
This is a nice stove, though.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Fairly new.
Updated, yeah.
Yeah.
There's a patio here you can't see, the deck you can't see from the other side, but it's also covered in stuff.
It's covered.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a smaller unit, but
Yeah, it feels small.
okay.
Might have something to do with all of the stuff as
Maybe.
well.
Where are the bedrooms?
Down.
No, I'm scared to look in the bedrooms,
Feels
man.
like there's no room to move, right? Like it's just
Yeah.
claustrophobic in here almost.
It's okay.
There's so much stuff.
In the bathroom.
This is a bathroom. I'll just do that from a distance.
They're replacing all of the light fixtures as well.
Mhm.
These will all be new.
Why is there a string looking around here?
They must take them off, I'd say.
Are you guys down to changing the cupboards too?
The cupboards not. They're all being changed, but they'll be painted.
Okay. It seems like some of them are probably broken, or is it just left open?
It might just be letting be adjusted.
Okay. And these are the 2 rooms.
So yeah, the light fixtures will be changed, the switches, the cover plates,
Mm-hmm.
the door handles are being changed.
You know it's bad when someone leaves everything and there's nothing you can see and say, oh, I'll take that.
It's a small. It's a small.
Usually we don't even show it like this, but
Yeah, no,
this is
that's
the last
okay.
thing we have to rent.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can't have fun on you.
Okay. Well, I see the layouts,
Yeah, I
and I'm
see
sure
it.
you guys are gonna work magic with it.
It'll be nice and shiny once everyone puts in some elbow grease.
And some air freshener.
It definitely needs to be cleared out. I
Well-
imagine once the flooring's been ripped out, it'll go.
Yeah, and what's the cost for it when it's all up and running?
The
Yeah.
I believe it's 1,319. It
Well-
includes the heat and the water.
Okay, and there's no in-suite laundry.
No, it's one floor.
One floor down. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go. Thank you for showing us.
You're welcome. Hopefully the last time I have to come in here today.
Yeah, fingers crossed.
Yeah, it's crazy. Some of those long ways.
Guys, that is a classic example of why you need somebody to look on the apartment before you make your deposit, before you sign your lease. Because not because it's Canada, we're gonna assume that everything is perfect. There is a lot of imperfections as well. That apartment was one. Now you guys can see the condition of that apartment. Definitely was not the best apartment we've been in. But knowing the company, I know that they're gonna fix it up and turn it into something livable. But to be frank, I'm not sure if I like that apartment.
It's too small.
It's too small.
For the price, and they don't have in-suite laundry.
What was the price again?
$1,310.
1,310.
Or something like that.
Yeah, and 2 matches box room.
Yeah, it's like, no, sardine tin.
And the kitchen,
And the
no.
fridge is like,
No.
no.
Even as a starter kit, I wouldn't recommend that apartment. But it all depends on the individual. Right? It all depends on the individual. Probably you guys don't mind. But if I don't see myself living there, we are not going to recommend it to anybody. And that's just how we are. We try to find things that we would live in. And that's why people, persons usually get a good apartment when they book our settlement services. It's not just finding an apartment, it's finding the right apartment. Although, she did tell us before going there that the apartment was not in tip-top condition, and if we still wanted to see it, so we decided that we wanted to see it still. So yeah, that was us. So I'm just letting you guys know that she didn't just bring us in there with it looking like that. She did kind of give us a warning, so boy, she was very surprised of the condition of the apartment, and she don't recommend looking at it, but if we want to look at it, we can still look at it. So that's the end result. But yeah, I wouldn't recommend that apartment.
Even in tip-top shape. Still
Even in tip-top shape, no.
small.
Yeah. The bathroom was tiny. The kitchen. Yeah, you're saying that the rooms are small.
2 rooms beside each other, and like they're like 2 sardine tins, like small. Like when you drop a bed, and that's it.
That's it. I'm going to an apartment a while ago, my shorts start scratch me.
Because it's dusty.
Dusty and
It needs to clean.
just messy.
But no, I wouldn't recommend that. No, me wouldn't live in there.
I wouldn't either.
It's too small.
And that's what we do, guys. We try to show you guys a factual representation of what it is like. All aspects, right? So we're looking on some apartments. This is the worst apartment I have been in. Well, I've been in some bad ones, but this one I think topped it. And you want to make sure that you are set before making a final decision. If possible, look on the apartment yourself or get somebody to look on the apartment for you. Don't just use the virtual tour where them have up, because that's usually done when the place just make before anybody live in there
And
or
even
anything.
so, you see, nice on the website and everything, but when you check it out, the location.
Yeah,
So,
the location also is a big deal.
yeah.
Cause this one wasn't located to beside any major bus stop or anything like that.
No, but you can get bus right there. It's not located, but you can like go over to the other streets and get a bus.
Or maybe. Anyways, guys, smash a like on the video if you like this. If you like this video, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Huge shout out to all the new subscribers. Drop a comment. Let us know what you think about that apartment, guys. Would you live there? If it means coming to Canada, like what do you think about it for the price? 1,310. 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom, no in-suite laundry. Laundry is on the first floor. But based on the condition of the apartment, I didn't think I wanted to look on the laundry room. That is just the truth. But anyways, guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.